Hi students, Civil 3D provides you with the way to create a report that is suitable for printing or for transferring to a word processing or spreadsheet program. In this exercise, we will create volume report for the North River Crossing Corridor. In the previous exercise, we already created some section for the road C and we already computed the material in our drawing. If you don't know, then you can go back and watch the previous exercise. For that we already have some volume reports which we can call it volume table here with the soil factor and without soil factors in Civil 3D. But if we need to create a soil report which we can just copy to the Excel sheet, then how can we do that? You can open this drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will send you this drawing. Once you will open, you will see two reports already here. We don't need to create compute any material in this drawing because we already created them as we are going with the project. So just switch to the Analyze tab and Volume and Material panel. Here we have a volume report. The report quantities dialog box will be appear to you. Just verify that the material list to which we want to export is selected. If not, then you can get them from the drop down menu and then verify road C and road C under the alignment and under the simple line group. Then press OK. Calculating the volume report may be take a few moments depending on your computer specification. Now you may get also warning message that says scripts are usually safe. Do you want to allow scripts to run? Then you can just press this yes. And Civil 3D temporarily takes over your web browser, as you can see here, to display the volume report. This is the same information that you placed in our drawing here, but since it's in this form, you can more readily copy and paste into the another program like Word or Excel sheet. Just note the cut fill volume and compare them to your volume table in the drawing. You will notice the same values for the reports as they are displayed in the table. So you can also close or you can copy, Control A, and then you can put everything in your Excel sheet to print them later for your clients or any other purpose. So this is how you can create reports for any volume in Civil 3D which you can later print